In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background, like that. Then tap on the icon of it at the top. And to launch it as a floating window, tap on Open in pop-up view. Now you can use your app in this little window. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. You can even reshape it. To move it, hold this line at the top and drag it. To turn it into a bubble, tap on Home button and then access it by clicking on the bubble. To use your app in full screen view, you need to hold one of its corners and drag it all the way, like that. Then do the same one with the top one, and now I can use it in full screen view. If you wish, you can always close your window by dragging the bubble to remove section, or by swiping it in the background. Last but not least, click on the same line you just used to move your window and check out all of those options. Line will minimize your app. X will close it. Those two arrows will let you use it in full screen view. This one on the left will make all of those options visible at the top right corner of your window at all times. And this one with the rectangles is so you can switch from pop-up to split. Click, tap on the second app you wanna use, and enjoy using both at once. If you want to close split screen, go into the background and swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!